Today I'm going to be replacing the alternator on this DD15 engine. The first step to remove the alternator is to remove the CSC pipe to make some room to access the alternator. Now I'm going to release the tension from the belt. Now I'm going to disconnect the 3 cables. This is the positive in this case. Remember to disconnect the batteries before disconnecting this one to prevent any accidents. Okay, with the cables out of the way, I'm going to remove the 2 bottom bolts. There is 2 bolts over there, you can see one here and one over there. These are really hard to access, so I'm going to be using this long extension ratchet with a 5/8 socket to get them loose. Okay, both of the bolts are loose. Now I can remove them easily. And now I'm going to remove the 2 other bolts using the 5/8 socket. But in this case, because I have a lot of room, I can use an impact gun or whatever you have to remove them easily. Okay, both of the bolts are loose now. So now I'm going to remove them and pull the alternator out of here. Okay, the alternator is out. The reason why I'm going to replace the alternator is because it makes noise, the bearing. You can hear very dangerous because the alternator bearing can go bad, and then the belt can just break, and it's a big problem on the road. Now I'm going to remove the shaft nut here using a 15/16 and an impact gun to remove it. I'm gonna use the impact gun and I'm gonna hold it with the other hand here to fully remove the nut from the shaft. Okay, with the nut out of the way, I'm going to pull the pulley out. In this case, as you can see, it's all rusty. It will be hard to remove it, but in other cases it's very easy to remove it. You just pull it with your hand and that's all you need to do. So I will need to hold the pulley and use a hammer to release all the rust that is in here. It will be very time consuming, but I have to do it to reuse the same pulley. Otherwise I have to buy a new pulley. So first I'm going to apply some W40 on the pulley, and I'm gonna leave it there for a while. After a while I hit the shaft with the hammer to release the pulley, and I am not able to remove the pulley out of the shaft. So the next step is to use a torch to get this area hot, and then I'm gonna hit it with the hammer to release the pulley. Okay, finally I got it out. So it is the pulley. I wanna clean the inside to remove all the dirt that is still in it. I have the new alternator here. This is the part number. Okay, first I'm going to compare the alternator with the old one. In this case are completely similar, there is no difference. The next step is to remove the nut, the shaft nut here, and remove this spacer. Now I can install the pulley. Remember to install it in the right position, because you have to position this, has to be down. Very easy, as you can see. Now I'm gonna place the nut and gonna tighten it. You can see here it has the specific torque for the nut, so follow this instruction. Okay, the pulley is tight. Now you can hear there is no longer a noise coming from the alternator bearings. So now I'm going to install the alternator in the alternator bracket. First, I'm going to place the 2 top bolts, and I'm gonna align it with the bracket on the front. Okay, the alternator is in place. The 2 bolts are installed. Now I'm going to install the other bolts that are on the bottom of the alternator. So I'm going to place one right here and the other one, and now I'm gonna tighten all the bolts. Okay, the bolts are fully tight. Now I'm going to reinstall the cables. Okay, the cables are connected. Now I'm going to install the belt. With the belt in place, now I'm going to install the CAC pipe. With everything on place, I'm going to start the engine. Now I'm going to see the battery voltage. It should be around 14 volts. And I'm going to check the belt to see if the alternator belt is running fine. This is all I'm going to show you about the alternator replacement on a Freightliner Cascadia with a DD15 engine. If you have any questions about this video, just comment below and I will answer them as soon as I can. Please like the video, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching.